Hello guys, this is Pledge. Come back. On this video I'm going to be giving feedback on the trades ideas that I gave out the beginning of the week, the trades that I took and how I managed them. So let's get it. On the DXY I was expecting Monday to make an imbalance to take out on Wednesday, so it didn't, came and reacted in between the two levels, the imbalance of which we're expecting Monday to make and the gap they made on last week's Monday. Then between also the inverted imbalance fair value, so they reacted in between the imbalance we were expecting them to make and this one. So as the DXY was approaching this deep retracement of which I was expecting, I was looking for selling opportunities on the euro and the pound. So on the euro, I was expecting a reaction here, of which they gave me, but it wasn't a reaction of which I was it didn't fall into my plan, or they just fell here the way I just didn't like seeing them doing, but then they did. So I was also looking at the pound. So when I was looking at the pound, the market actually fell on this I'd say mitigation and this FEG, the midpoint of this FEG, it fell here. So that's when I was like, okay, I could be expecting sales in this area. So I could be actually be expecting sales here, because on Monday they didn't take out Friday's low. So if they don't take out Friday's low during their open, it means what? It means their objective are still to the downside, because they could have given us a reaction like this to sweep, then they would have gone to the upside, but they didn't, signifying that their objectives are still to the downside. So they opened up the week and gave us this slopey type of price action to fall to this mitigation, of which I saw as a good opportunity for me to be getting into the market. So I went down to my entry time frame of which is the 30 minutes. I usually use the 30 minutes because it doesn't always it saves me time. I'm not a swing trader, but then the 30 minutes just does it for me. So Tuesday, so liquidity was taken. So Tuesday's liquidity was taken to fall into this mitigation. Exactly when and what time was it? Was 12:30. I took shots when I saw this pin bar. Once I saw this pin bar, I was like, that's it. So I took my entries just below that stop right here, because I wasn't actually expecting them to come anyway further up. Seeing this pin I was like, that's it. So my target was this lows, previous week low. Yeah, my target was previous week low, of which I held the trade. I took 2 positions here. Then I also took the rest of my positions here because I wanted to be busy with something else. So I wasn't going to be like be in a trade for 2+ or 3+ days. I had some things to do, so I took my positions just before they could hit my TP. So I missed out on little profits, but then I'm not complaining. It was a good week, I'd say, on the EurUsd. I mean the pound dollar. So on Thursday, because I entered on Wednesday, on Thursday, during London session, they made a FEG, an imbalance of which I was hoping to scale in on the position, but then they didn't tap it. So it was just one of those I could have wanted for here. So they didn't give me that opportunity. It was just I'm not complaining about what I made. So another trade I took was on gold. We were expecting them to come here to fall or create or tap this FEG, then reverse, of which they decided to go for this FEG. My stop was just below this candlestick low. They took it out, but I'm not complaining about it because I wasn't expecting gold to take out Monday's low, but then it did. It's just part of the things. I could have done better on this, but then it's just one of those things that just happened. So on Monday it gave me I thought they were going to react on this OP, but then they didn't. They ran through it, came to the stop loss and reversed. This was a good 2.3. Yeah, 2.3 reward. 1:2.3, and holding it could have actually given us more than that, way more. 3R plus, 1:3 plus, and as you can see, it actually continued to the upside. So key takeaways here, I don't actually see any takeaways, but then on this it's just one of those things that just happened. I remember on GU, same thing happened to me. Took stop on an order block and I placed my stop actually like here. You see how this FEG, then I just placed it here, so it would have still taken me out, then reversed. So those are the trades that I took this previous week. I hope this helped you guys some way. on how you guys can actually utilize the content that I'm providing for better trade decisions. So as always guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys, and if you see this video helping somebody else, share it. That's it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So with that guys, till the next one, peace.